And Ministry of Health has some centralized system.
Urutayo rwabo rutandikira hakitebe cha district kandi ababanze kugambaho nomwe ahabashaho kandi umukozi ha district ayorekere ku offices zabo zitari kwemarira ukubatine mwanya gwa laboratory nebindi.
We need to increase this structure. This is just one room. If you can have other rooms, for example, we could now separate our lab. We have serology separate, we have immunology separate, we have microbiology separate, and then parasitology. It's not good, we are living in this era of global health security.
Orumukuru w'ebyamatungo ahabwacuruhura Dr. John Sekajungo asimira ba Maaif okwenyuma ho yabahire mbazi endwara yejwa ikabatambira ikagumza mweka bahereza na fridge ezo kubika mwembazi.
30,000 doses of foot and mouth disease vaccine that has been able to control the disease. For the last 6 months, we have not had an outbreak of foot and mouth disease, and we are able to open our livestock markets. So the other thing, we appreciate Maaif for providing us the livestock refrigerator, pharmaceutical fridges for the cold chain system. Yeah, we have free fridges which can store more than 100,000 doses of vaccine.
Aba Maaif bashabire offices ezo okurondo wakubasa kubatera muzawa yaza amashanyarazi babone kubahereza sora.
So before you go that route, I know you already have a budget. You may want to, get a little bit of more information because you could have access through that project. But also to mention that yes, you've got a technician. I mean, maybe they're giving you lead acid battery, but there's a lithium one that could take longer period than 5 years. Okay.
Approached for installing the solar panel, etc. And then giving that maybe it's still not enough in capacity, that doesn't make sense. Then he's proposing something wrong. Something wrong, yeah.
Narishi Maaif okukira munonga etiyambere okutuhereza equipments narishi consumables narishi byokozesa omu laboratory ali mu microscopes na nebinde byoma.
Umwe ahamuhinji kandi ari Omuriisa ashoboriro ko ariyo na leta hishomero ryo buhinji no burisa omurucuruhura okuyamba Abariisa okumanya binje biri ha mutindo.
Iyo ine bageze banje bontandikire nabo kugira ngo turebe ngo abantu barwo mu buhinge bwakare ubwentoke ningashi emisiri etari productive ningashi bakweta commercial agriculture. So iyo project ntandikire nabanywana banje twaronda hika 500 zo kubyara mu mwanya. So icyo tukitandikire hate kiturumu no kuronda boreholes kusostinga amezi abo topinga mwani otine mezi. So ine mugezo wanje ine factory na ntunga mu yiba kweta Inspire Africa ni factory mpambo yomani. So ni demand uri twatungira katare. So kwatansa na bagenzi banje ntwena ngo tukore mbwe tuba supply yomwana uko.
Umwa Abariisa ashabira Abariisa bagenzi be okureka kwetombitwa ahabwe bei y'amato kucendera kureka bakwatanise n'abebembezi babo okutunga bei nunji.
Abariisa batwembetombwita munonga ahabwe mpinda hinduka ebei y'amate honka nimbagambira nti tugezeho munonga ebei y'amate nebwo rene gumare hinduka stere muranga umbebembezi bitu ebei y'amate ebe stable kandi ebe nyingi ahabo kuba Abariisa mbatamwe sente nyingi omugure mbazi yente omukurebera rente okirone cyo niyo source ya income eyubine